Sarindra from Shasta Institute of Engineering Technology. I have completed BE in Mechanical Engineering in the year of 2020. I have joined QSpider with my referral of friend since he got placed in a good company, and he told me that the QSpider will sure give you a good betterment placements. So after joining in QSpiders, I was having zero knowledge in Java programming. Nandish here made me to believe that you can able to build a Java program by yourself, and he molded me. I thank Tamil Servan sir for giving me a moral and emotional support, and he taught web technology in such a way that so that all the concepts was able to remember without his referring of notes. I thank Durga ma'am for giving me a last minute support in concepts of manual testing, and she made me to place in a reputed company and exam. I thank Vandana ma'am for giving me knowledge about aptitude, so that which made me to clear for going to second round in every company, and she was the emotional support. I thank every teaching and non-teaching staffs for giving me a good fruitful career in my life. Thank you, QSpiders.